In this video, I will introduce the design and selection guidance of the internal fan of the air conditioner. This is a document that has completed the design selection and contains many necessary parameters. First, determine the required airflow and pressure drop of the air conditioner. The pressure drop is generally composed of evaporator pressure drop, filter pressure drop, and air conditioner structure pressure drop. This is the demand input. As for how this data comes from, I will introduce it in other video when I have the chance. Preliminary selection of fan model based on target required airflow and air conditioner pressure drop through selection software or fan manufacturer brochure. At the same time, it is necessary to consider fan control mode, power supply, fan size, fan type, of course, the fan brand platform, procurement, industry versatility, and cost performance need to be considered. View the data sheet for the selected fan. Find the working state point according to the performance curve of the selected fan model. Find the fan running speed. Here is 1480 revolutions per minute. Here we do a split screen display, which looks more intuitive. Find the fan running power. Here is 1480 W. The current and noise data here only give 1 or 2 points. We estimate the current and noise at the operating point based on the data of other fans. Next, Let's look at the 10 volts maximum airflow, which is the maximum airflow the fan can achieve while maintaining the same pressure drop. Here is 8,900 airflow. Next, let's look at the maximum pressure drop, which is the maximum pressure the fan can achieve while maintaining the same airflow. Here is 580 pascals. The maximum pressure minus the air conditioning pressure drop is the external static pressure, which is 226 pascals here. Find the maximum current of the fan according to the fan's parameters. The maximum current is used to select breaker, cables and calculate the Florida of the air conditioner. Then check the fan wiring diagram and wiring port related information. Next, introduce how to select breaker and cable for fan. Select a circuit breaker with a 20% safety margin based on the maximum current of the fan. Select a C or D type circuit breaker based on the starting current characteristics of the motor. Select the cable according to the rated current of the circuit breaker. The current carrying capacity of the cable needs to be greater than the rated current of the breaker. In this way, the design and selection of the fan is completed. Finally, read the contents of the fan specification book from beginning to end to have a comprehensive and in-depth understanding of the size, fixation, wiring, precautions, etc.